Hello everyone, I'm David Marder with Level Realty, and this is the unboxing of my listing, Unit 702 North at Auberge, Fort Lauderdale Beach. The Auberge is known for having great flow-through floor plans. However, this one is very special. The first unique feature of this condo is that you can see completely through it, from one end to the other. The second feature that is truly amazing is when you walk from one balcony on one side of this unit to the other balcony on the other side of this unit, you're going to have ocean views on both. Check this out and see what I mean. Lastly, I can't forget to mention that everything in this home was custom built and designed by Stephen G. Interior Design. That includes the floors, the ceilings, custom walls, the closets, and all the furniture. Some of the other details of this condo are 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, the largest kitchen that was offered by the developer with islands for sitting on both sides, private elevator entrance, and 3 private balconies. The Auberge is truly a world-class building, featuring some of the most beautiful amenities you can find anywhere in Fort Lauderdale Beach. I'm David Marder, listing agent for this unit, 702 North at Auberge, Fort Lauderdale Beach, offered at $3,575,000. You can reach me at 954-951-3356 or go to mardergroup.com to view this home and all other amazing homes for sale in the area.